Our aim and objective is to make a good quality video from a PowerPoint presentation. So we will take an example. First thing is that the best animation you have, good content you have, the animation in your text, the good your video will become. Static content will not give you that kind of effect in your video. So what I have done is I have gone to Google, downloaded to GIF. GIF means animated pictures. Then I went to Google and downloaded to sound effect. Okay. So this I just tried to make it more animated. Now open the PowerPoint, and if you want to make a video, you have to have a PowerPoint version greater than 2010. Otherwise, you will not be able to make the video. So there are certain templates. If you are well versed with PowerPoint, you can choose any of this template. Okay, I am just going to make the PowerPoint. Our main idea and key is not to make the PowerPoint. Main is how to make a PowerPoint so that a good video output will be there. So first we'll make a PowerPoint, then we'll add the animation, then we will add the transition, and finally we will be exporting it to a video. So first slide I have chosen. You can choose any slide. You can give any content. For example, we are giving PPT to video, PowerPoint to video. Now you can just copy this and paste it. Otherwise, just press enter. There will be another slide that will come. I will not write any other content, just basic content, like this is our first slide. And here, whatever content you want to show, because finally your video has to show everything coming by itself, means coming like a video should be. So I am writing the content, or these are in bullets. So when this bullet will be written, and when I give animation to these bullets, it will come in a flow one by one. So there will be an animated view of your content also, right? So whichever content you are giving, try to give them animation. So I am just changing the size of the content. Then you can change this size from here. Along with this, if you want, you can change the different font types also as per your requirement. This is all at your expertise, what you want to do. Now, I am going to give you animation here. So go to animation, give any kind of animation like this one. And this has to come with previous, not on click. This also, I am giving some other, say float in. And in effect option, you can give by paragraph, as one object, all at once. And it has to come with previous, not on a click. These things you have to change. Okay. So I am just changing the time because I want to make a short video for you. So I am just duration I am minimizing just to show you. You don't have to do that. You can just keep the stipulated amount of time. So I am just copying this and pasting. So I have pasted it. Now this is my second slide. I want to make a proper video. So in order to add, I need to have certain more slides. This is the second slide. Change the color also if you want. Now this is first, second, third one. I just want to change it. So just assume that this is your second slide of your PowerPoint presentation. For that, you can write another content here. It is up to you what you write. Now last, I'm just copying it. And now here I'm going to give you, say, thanks. This is our end of the video. So now our slide or PowerPoint presentation is done. Now second thing I'm going to give is the introduction of certain GIF file. So these are already animated file I downloaded, and I am putting one in the one slide, second in another slide. So this will just show you animation that will make a video more interactive and more interesting to view. So these are not pictures, these are GIF files. These are actually pictures, but they have animation also. Now, either you put your own audio file here, or you can add a file which is a sound file here. See, this is a GIF file. And now you have to add audio. It is not necessary to add audio file, but if you have a narration, you have a sound for every slide. You can also put it here. So I am now dragging these two sound files. You can easily get it from Google. And now I have just dragged it. So this is the sound. Now let me do it as automatically. So you have to change it to automatically. And since this is a big file, in order to make it a smaller, I can trim it here also. So with every sound, with every video inside a video, with everything, there are properties which you can work upon. So hide during show, I don't want this icon to come. I made this as shorter, and same thing I copied it here also. You can add another sound file of narration, etc. Okay, since this is done now the final one is transition. This is very important because when the slide change, the transition is the most important. So here you come to random. Please remember, if you give any of this type, it will come for all the slides. But when you give random, the PowerPoint will choose automatically what kind of animation it is going to give. And I'm just decreasing the duration just to make this video smaller. I don't want to make this video a longer one. So you can give sound here also. When the transition will change or take place, that will be shown, right? Okay, now see here. So we are here. See here, slideshow. Now first see the slideshow, because you have to see how PowerPoint has been made. So this is our PPT. I'm not playing the sound. There is a sound also. This is just PPT I am playing right now. Okay. Now this is our second slide. This is our thanks. Our slide is being prepared. Now we come to the actual process, that is converting into video. So you have to go to here, file, go to export, and then create a video. Now this is about 2010 version. When you go here, there will be a presentation quality. It is HD. The lower quality is also available, whichever you want. Now there is a possibility that you have done narration for every slide. That also you can include. But right now we have included some static audio files, so we are not doing it. And every slide should take what amount of time? Because I want to make a shorter video, I just made it as one, so it will be super fast. You can make it as 10 seconds. It will be viable. So now just save it. Okay. So say I make a folder and just save it. Now this is coming as MPEG-4 video. So this is of MP4 format, right? Now save it. This is a very short video I am making. This is creating my video. This is taking a short time because I reduced all the time, right? But it will take time. If you are making video, it will take say, it depends on your system also. It will take good time, say 10 minutes or more. It may take if you have 40-50 slides. Now our video is ready. Now I'm going to show you the video. I'm not going to give you the audio. So only video you will see. Let me just open this. This video has been formed. So this video has come only from PPT, and you will see this is a very superior quality video that you can upload on YouTube, that you can go give to anyone. And now you have learned how to make a video just by PPT. PPT is with everyone. This is the video. See here. Okay. Now because I'm recording also, so you can see a glitch because I'm recording also same time, screen recording. So this is how the video will be shown. You have made a video out of a PowerPoint. Okay. You have animation, you have transition, everything here. You have narration, video, audio, everything. Okay. So thank you so much. Hope this helps. Take care.